Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And now select Add to Wallet. Focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass. And now select your Transport Pass. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. And now, select the loyalty card you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap OK, add to wallet, and it's done. Go back, and in the end let's select Gift Card. Similar to loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.